In today's video, let me show you how to use ChatGPT 4 without logging in. Now, if you don't want to log into ChatGPT, what you can do in this case is use a different platform, which is Microsoft Copilot, which is the closest and uses some features of ChatGPT 4. So without logging into your ChatGPT account, you will not have the version on the platform of ChatGPT. You will not get the ChatGPT 4 version. So instead, what you can do is open up Microsoft Edge. Once you're inside of this platform, click on the Copilot logo right here. And as you can see, the chat opens up. As I said, this is the closest to ChatGPT 4 as you can get. And you can ask any questions or add any prompts, and it is going to give you similar answers to ChatGPT 4. So this is the only way that you can do. And through the platform of ChatGPT, there is no way. You will need to log in order for you to use ChatGPT 4. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.